How to modify an existing Claude skill. Please note that skills installed from Claude's skills directory are view only, so you can't directly edit the installed version. You need to create your own modified copy. Open Claude and click Customize. Now tap on the skills. Find the skill you want to modify and tap on it. Make sure the skill is already installed. Now go back and open a new Claude chat and type / in the chat box. Select the skill you want to modify. Now ask Claude to duplicate the skill. You can give your own instructions or upload any reference file you want the new skill to follow and also give it a new name. Then press enter. Let Claude create the modified skill. It can take a couple of seconds to minutes. Exact name we specified. Now to save it, click the Save option. The modified skill will now be added to your skills library. That's it. You now have your own customized version of an existing Claude skill.